Hello friends, welcome to insiderprotocol.com, the iPro, the daily dividends income giving platform. Okay, here we can see today how to deposit Bitcoin into our account. It is the dashboard to our account. Okay, you can see it is the dashboard. This is the if you log in your mobile, it will show like this, and you have to zoom it. If you zoom it, we can see insider protocol. Here it is. Okay, right. How to deposit money? Okay, here you have to deposit your Bitcoin, and then you have to open a new TID. That means your money will go into trading. There, then you can get daily dividends into your accounts. Okay, you no need to work anymore. Okay, your money will work for you. Your money will work for you and gives you money. Okay, here when you zoom in here, how to deposit our Bitcoin. Okay, here we have to, what we have to do is, see here in this website, you have to click on deposit. Okay, here is a button deposit, and also here is a button deposit. When you click the deposit, okay, I'm clicking here I'm clicking. When you click on this deposit, you will get the option to deposit. Okay, here you have to enter your USDT amount, how much money you want to deposit, 1000 USDT or 2000 or 5000 or 10,000, 20,000. How much you want to deposit? Enter your money here. Here you have to enter. I want to deposit 10,000. Okay, then I have to enter that amount, and I have to click I accept terms and conditions. I have to click that. Okay, you are depositing money in Bitcoin. Okay, you have entered in USDT, enter amount in USDT. You have to enter 10,000 USDT here. Whatever the amount you want to deposit, enter the amount here, and then you are depositing in BTC. You have to select, you have selected BTC, and Ethereum option also there. Actually BTC we are using everywhere. We are using BTC. You have to enter your amount, how much you want to deposit. Here you have to enter. You are depositing your Bitcoin. Okay, you have to click on I accept, then click on deposit. Okay, click on deposit. When you click on deposit, see here the address came here. Okay, if you have mobile wallet, you can scan here. You can scan this code and send this money. Okay, this money you have entered to deposit $10,000. This money. Okay, okay, the address, if you want to paste the address, copy this address. Okay, copy this address, send to this send this amount. Okay, copy this address and send this amount, and then your amount will be deposited. Okay, see here 29 minutes the time is running. If you in 30 minutes you have to make a transaction. Okay, in 30 minutes you have to make a transaction. Automatic see here, when it confirms, will be automatically credited. Okay, if you send a transaction after the time express, then your funds will be credited. Less than 10 minutes it will be deposited to your account. Then the amount will come to here. Okay, then your amount will come to USDT deposited balance. Okay, USDT deposited, yes, USDT deposited balance, you can see here. Your amount will be here. Okay, thanks for watching. And also you can, how to invest the deposited amount. You have to put your money into trading so that you will get dividends. How to invest my money? For that you have to click on invest. Okay, invest, or you can click here also investments. Okay, you can click investment. Yeah, I am clicking here right now. When I click it here, if you have, if you don't if you don't have deposited, still you have to click on this to deposit. Already if you have deposited, click on open new TID. I have already opened new TID, so I am getting every day my dividends. Okay, every day I am getting dividends. Every day I am getting dividends. Here we have deposited money and we have to open new TID so that we can send our money into trading, so that every day we will get dividends to our trading money. Okay, yeah, I'm clicking on open new TID. When I click on open new TID, there will be a new pop-up here. Okay, option 1, option 2, option 3. In here it is maximum 30 days. You can enter here maximum 500 iPros, and you have to click these two buttons. I confirm to open the TID. I accept terms, then open new TID, click this one. If you select say option 2, it will be maximum 180 days. You can select maximum 5000 iPro coins. You can enter here, and you have to confirm this. I confirm to open new TID. I accept terms and conditions. Then you have to click open new TID. When you open new TID, what will happens is and one more thing. If you open one new TID in option 1, it will give you less dividends percentage per month, and if you open option 2, it will give you more and huge dividend percentage per month. And here you can open 3 TIDs. Okay, option 1 you can open 3 TIDs, option 4 you can open 4 TIDs. In option 4 you can open 4 TIDs, and in option 3 you can open 5 TIDs. Option 1 3 TIDs you can open, option 2 4 TIDs you can open, option 3 5 TIDs you can open. And when you open new TIDs, your money will automatically sent into trading. You can see there, and every day you will get dividends. Okay, percentage, daily percentage, how much dividends percentage I'm get. Okay, see here 2.8, 2.8, 4.9, 5.74, and it's trading, it's running trading. How many days you have locked your amount, you put your amount in trading, it will show here. When your trading TID will completes trading here, when you open TID, the date here, when the TID ends, the date is here. Okay, every day you will get dividends. Okay, every day. When you open new TID, your money will be sent into trading automatically, and daily you will get dividends. See, 19 on 19 I made $104 USDT, 451 USDT. 2 times. This means 550 USDT per day. Amazing! It's huge and great earning at all. On 16th day I received 199 USDT, 10 USDT, 854. Okay, this is huge and great income and opportunity. Still for 15 days I have opened TIDs on 3rd December. Today the date is 19th December. For 15 days I have made 3,435 USDT. It's awesome. Okay, for 3,435 USDT per 15 days is awesome. And also if it is 6,000 USDT per month, it's very nice earning. I can pay my bills, I can pay all bills, and I can live freely. I can help to the poor, and I can give to the charity. I can live my life better. How the money is going, how the money is coming, and how the money is generating here is in trading. They have the real trading bot, and they are giving us now our money going into trading. We are getting daily dividends for our invested money. It's nice earning, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, everywhere I'm earning. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's all for the day. Here you already know how to deposit Bitcoin into this platform, and how to open your TID. That means how to send your money into trading. You have seen here. Watch this video again and again. You will get the idea how to do it. And one more thing, go to description. You can see there my promo code. You have to click on register. Please register into the platform and paste my promo code. The promo code starts with 3 letters ZTF and ends with 3 letters PAD. Paste the promo code and sign up into the platform, and also you will get 5 iPro coins free. 5 iPro coins, that means 17.5 USDT you will get free instantly. Why? Because 1 iPro is equals to 3.5 USDT. 1 iPro is equal to 3.5 USDT. See here, 1 iPro is equal to 3.5 USDT. And also there is an ICO running. ICO from 15th on 15th December it started. Total soft cap 43 million, total supply 43 million coins, and soft cap in the ICO stage 1 is 8,50,000. Still today 14,265 iPro coins sold. Hurry up when the coins sold out. You should hurry up before. Okay, this is the that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Nice to talk to you. Let's meet in